John 17 verse 25. O righteous Father, the world doesn't know you, but I do, and these disciples know you sent me. Righteous Father. Jesus speaks directly to the Father and adore him with a title, namely, Righteous Father. Look at what Jesus knows about the Father's love. Jesus prayed the Father that although the world have not known him, he that is Jesus the Christ knows the Father. Jesus, through his prayer, would like to bring it home to us as his disciples. Yes, not unto the Father, but unto us. This is that only Jesus really knows how big and wide the love of God really is towards us. Also that Father in his righteousness is faithful to himself. In his holy and wise counsel, this reality will never change. That is that God so loved the world.